Good morning. Oh, we're in Lodi, Ohio at the TA truck stop. It's about 6:30. We got about 100 miles down to Columbus, Ohio to deliver. They don't start receiving till 8 o'clock. So that's going to put us there right at 8 o'clock. Knock this off, and then we're going to go to Columbus and reload, going down to Lexington, Kentucky. We're supposed to pick up forms. It says wood forms. I don't know what that is. Could be a box, but it's supposed to only weigh 15,000 pounds, so it shouldn't be too bad. Looks like is that an oversized load or is that a wrecker? Let's see here. Go by. Oh, it looks like an oversized load. Looks like an oversized load getting started. Alright, we gotta try to get out of here. Trucks park all over the place around here. Alright. We're gonna start the day off right. We'll turn the buzzer on. I gotta make a sharp turn right here. Hang on one second. Let me get around this turn right here. They got trucks parked all over the place. Hang on a second. There we go. Yeah, we're pretty heavy. We've got about 45,000 on the trailer. Oh, people are asking me why did I take the side kit down and how come I didn't use the side kit for this load. This load has pallets on each side. They have to load from each side of the trailer. And the side kit's more designed to load from one side, which is the passenger side, or from overhead. So whenever you have loads that have to load from both sides, pallets on both sides, it usually does not work very well in the side kit. So that's one reason why I had to take it down. But we're gonna hit.
Turn left on US Route 2, 24 East.
I'm gonna turn her off for a little bit. We're gonna hit some traffic this morning around Columbus. But we kind of figured that we ain't got far to go, so we can deal with it. We can deal with it. All right, let's make our way up onto the interstate. We're gonna be taking 71 south. Straight into Columbus. So let's get our day started, and I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Wasting this time that I borrowed, running too fast for the sun, and my eyes they still burn for tomorrow. Ooh. Wanna come alive. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you. Waiting for rains would color, like I have done since a child, and my eyes they still burn for tomorrow. It might never come.
been to this place before. I didn't realize it till we got down on this road. Last time I was here, it was covered in snow. Nice people. Only drawback is they don't have a lot of room. And I'm not too sure where they want me to go or park.
Arrive at 48 Evanswood Drive.
Because this is about all the room they have is right here. And as you can see, there's another truck.
Your destination is on the right.
So I'm sure we're gonna end up playing musical trucks for a while. But all right, talk to you in a bit. All right, real quick, we got just a little break here. They're pretty busy. I wanted to show you this load here. Hang on. So this is our rolled roofing, and you guys have never seen me use these wood edge protectors before. I carry enough, but this place required the wood edge protectors on the load, so that's what it looked like. And you can see these are stand-up rolled roofing, but you can see the wood edge protectors. I wanted to show you that real quick. So all right, let me finish up because this place is a little busy. They don't have a lot of room, and we got to go pick up our next load. So talk to you in a bit. All right, we got unloaded. Went fairly quick. They're nice people there. It's a small area. And the last time I was there, I delivered the foam insulation stuff, looks like styrofoam. That was a while ago, because the last time I was here, there was snow on the ground. So that was a while ago. All right, we're gonna make our way over to our next stop. They want us there about 10 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock right now, and we got about 30 minutes to go, so that should work out pretty good. So I will see you at the next stop. Talk to you in a bit. All right, I think we're near where we're supposed to be. I've never been here before, so
You've arrived.
I have arrived. Let's see what it says. All trucks must report to office. Find the office they were talking about. All right, talk in a bit. All right, we're out here about 30 miles north of Lexington at Love's Truck Stop. Lexington, Kentucky, that is. This place is a madhouse. Although we did get a parking spot, and you know how I like to pull straight out. Let's take a look at what we got here. These are concrete forms that I think they use to make like curbs and walls and stuff like that. We got this metal box. It was the only weird thing. This metal box is full of metal, or excuse me, this wood box is full of metal parts. It's kind of heavy, and it doesn't have a top, so I was worried about it sliding forward. The straps over the top of it are holding it down, but so what I did is I put a chain across the front and then used a ratchet binder to snug that crate back up against, so you can see how it's nice and tight up against there, so it's not going anywhere. Other than that, just pretty cut and dry. So nice and easy. Weighs about 10,000 pounds, so no weight at all. But short day, actually, pretty good day. We're done for today. We don't deliver this till 8 o'clock tomorrow. We're 30 miles from Lexington from where we gotta go. So we should be good to go. We're just gonna hang out and then head out tomorrow, deliver this in the morning. I talked to the guy, should go fairly easy. And then we'll head over to Mercertown and get our truck inspected and get after it again. But so far this week's been pretty good. Knock on wood, this week's been pretty good. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.